Hi guys, my name is Life and today I'm going to be doing an Amla Powder Pre-Poo. So if that's something that interests you, just keep on watching. Amla powder comes from dried amla fruit, which is also known as Indian gooseberry. Benefits of this powder are that it conditions your scalp, promotes hair growth, minimizes gray hair, boosts volumes, reduces dandruff, and treats head lice. I am new to this Ayurvedic treatment, but I will be doing more Amla powder videos on my channel, so make sure you subscribe for that. But right now, let's just get right into it. I'm just mixing it up. Here, I'm just adding some warm water. Like I said, I am new to this. I just started this in January, so this is like a basic recipe for beginners. Here I'm adding grapeseed oil. You can use any oil, but I'm using it for the added benefits. And I've been kind of obsessed with oils lately, but we can talk about that later. Make sure you subscribe. I mixed it to about a medium thin consistency. Okay friends, time to put the mask on this hair. It gets a little messy, so you're gonna need a towel like you see I have on here, and I would advise getting some hair clips to section off your hair, which I just remembered that I should do, and then you should be ready to start. So I got my hair clips. By the way, I like these, but sometimes when I take them out, they get tangled on my hair. Comment below if that ever happens to you. But I'm just going to section my hair in 4 giant sections to get started. And then what you'll see is that I will divide those sections into a smaller set of sections. So I have 8 sections total. I find that the clay goes on a lot easier when your hair is a little wet and detangled. So here I'm just using my lavender and rosemary refresher spray and really working that in my hair to get all the tangles out. And if you didn't see that video or short, you should go check it out. I am a finger detangling girl, So here you just see me finger detangling my hair to get all the tangles out before I put the clay in. And why didn't I adjust the stream to make it more of a spritz or more misty? I don't know, but just go with it. Here I'm putting on the clay, and you want to make sure you put it on the ends and then work your way up to the roots. I put it on all of the hair, and then I go in and I separate the hair, and I try to make sure that every strand is coated with the clay. You want to be very gentle with this process and hydrate your hair as needed as you go along. Don't forget to get that scalp. And here I'm just twisting up my finished section. And you're just going to do that for the rest of your sections until you complete your entire head. Look at that curl definition. Since Amla is a gentle cleanser, I don't use shampoo after using this. I just use a conditioner and then deep condition. This is my hair before deep conditioning, nice and strong and moisturized. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!